Hello to everyone. Scientists at Chemnitz University of Technology have shown that the continuing miniaturization of electronics calls for reimagining the devices that power them. Using a Swiss roll-inspired self-assembly process, the researchers have produced the world's smallest battery, which they believe could be useful in powering small sensors in the body, among other applications. Innovative energy storage was developed using the Swiss roll process, inspired by spongy cylindrical cakes rolled up with thick jam inside. Rather than using sugar or flour, scientists used polymeric, metallic, and dielectric materials to layer current collectors and electrode strips on a tensioned wafer surface. Peeling off these layers releases tension and the materials snap back into each other to form a self-wound cylinder microbattery. This device is smaller than a square millimeter across and around the size of a grain of dust, with a minimum energy density of 100 microwatt-hours per square centimeter. According to the researchers, these attributes make the battery suitable for eventual integration into tiny chips with electrical circuits, which could become biocompatible sensors in our bodies. They have shown that these types of devices can monitor recovery from surgeries and track oxygen levels in deep tissues. However, many of these types of sensors generate electricity using harvesting methods, such as turning mechanical vibrations into power and capturing heat for the same purpose. Sometimes, such as inside the human body, this will not work. Their rechargeable microbattery, which they say could power the smallest computer chips for about 10 hours, is aimed at solving this issue. This could also apply to robotic systems and ultra-flexible electronics. Professor Oliver Schmidt, who led the study, said that there is still a lot of room to improve this technology. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for future videos.